Hey, did you ever want to buy a house in a foreign country? Well, here I am in Seoul, standing on the rooftop of a six-family house that I just bought with some friends. I got some before shots of downstairs, so maybe let's go take a look at the before shot of the basement, and then I'll piece together a couple of progress shots. Okay, I'm here at the Myeon Mok Dong house. Construction starts tomorrow. I'm going to show you the basement. We'll have 3 apartments down here. 1, 2, and here's the one that we're going to work on today. Let's make sure. Get a good shot of this. When we walk in, we've got a single bedroom and a very small kitchen and a single bathroom. This is better than your Kisengchung bathroom, which would be an elevated bathroom in most of the basements here in Korea. So this will be a bit easier to renovate. As you can hear, there's some renovation going on in the house behind me. I'm George Johnson, jack of all trades, master of none. I'm gonna now try my hand at real estate investment. So we'll go see what kind of noise, what kind of damage we're doing with the noise that we're making in there. All right, let's get inside. I'll go down into the basement. As you can see, the kitchen sink's out. And the man behind the jackhammer is also a jack of all trades. Yeah. And we are going through and finding the water lines down here. Kitchen appliances are out. And the reason for digging up all the way around the edge to find the water lines is because, if you come over here, you remember the video I filmed yesterday, you remember there's a bunch of mold over here. Water was coming in somewhere. You take a look at the bathroom and you see these water pipes, how rusty and old they are. This house is probably 30 years old. And so we're going to have to replace all of the water lines. So we're going to have to dig under here and replace all the water lines leading to the kitchen and leading outside. So we're probably going to have to bust this up in the hallway too. All right, so the wall that was here is down, you can see. So we're going to open this up. Just open it up. And these are some of the heating lines. The boiler room is outside. And so it just opens this floor plan up a lot by having taken that wall out. All right, that's it for today. So day 2 of construction. Yesterday we looked at the leak in pipe, and this is how far we had to come out to get a line. Yeah, to get a water line that was not completely rusted. This is how far we had to come out. So that kind of tells us something. That tells us that this whole area in here was, soaked with water for quite a while. And when you look at the mold that was on the wall over here, you can still see a wet spot right there. It's just groundwater coming in, and there's nothing you can do about it. It's the way that they did the construction on these old houses. So we got to live with it. But yeah, so we got new water lines. What are those? That's the boiler. That's coming from the boiler because, as I said, the boiler is outside that window right there. And so these are the new heat lines coming in. Interesting though. that's going into the next apartment. So those must be the heat lines for them. I still see some standing water over here. I don't know if it just needs to dry up or not, but we'll keep an eye on it. And yeah, try to get that all figured out. It's getting cleaned up. It's coming along. And I'm not going to turn. Yeah, obviously the plumber still has work to. Do in here. I am not going to turn on any electric because, as you can see, we've got electrical work going on. Yeah, we need to move that one. It used to be in the wall, and there's no more wall. So, all right, there you go. Day 2 complete. So I think that this is going to be a series where I'll take you through the process of renovating the apartments that need to be renovated, and who knows what else. We will start down in the basement. There is one empty apartment that we need to renovate, so we can get that rented out. Actually, in order to get a little bit more money to buy the house. If that sounds a little strange, then you're just used to the real estate market in your country. And, there's a lot to learn about the different cultures, the different rules of doing something like this in a foreign country. I've been lucky enough to have a friend that has been doing this, and I've been, learning along the way for the past maybe year or two, having watched this process and helped in this process on a couple of other houses. And so, my friend decided it was I was ready. The student is ready to take the plunge and get involved in it. So here I go. I think this is going to be a fun process. Definitely a little bit stressful, and as we go through the series, I'll explain a little bit more about that, and you'll understand why. Today's actually day 4 of construction. It's Thanksgiving, not a holiday in Korea, so everybody's working. We're over here, fortunately. Yeah, I'm off work because it is an American holiday. And so I think at this point, actually, we'll wrap up episode 1, and let me know what kind of questions you have about buying real estate in Seoul, or Korea for that matter. But actually, Seoul has its own set of strange rules that you have to navigate through. If you have questions about renovating, getting contractors, how to do this and be profitable, I don't know. When it's all over, I'll tell you whether I was profitable or not. Now, to my friends who invested together with me, who are watching right now, don't worry, I'm just saying that for the audience to build suspense. We'll make profit, don't worry. But in addition to making profit, I think we're actually also going to make lives better. I think both sides win out because of all the dynamics of what's going on. Again, that's something I'll explain more about. The people that are moving into the apartments that we renovate, I think they'll benefit. The people who sold the house to us, they benefit. And of course, we, the contractors benefit from getting the work. We benefit from the increased value of the house and taking the profit out at the end, or keeping it and moving on to the next thing. Who knows what the future holds. Okay, that's rambling. Please give this video a like. Please subscribe so you don't miss the next episode. And leave some comments for me below. See you next time.